Hey, what's up? Heartily welcome to my channel, STS Ching Chang. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send the original resolution of image from WhatsApp. And the default WhatsApp setting, you can't send the original resolution of the image, and the recipient can receive the something decrease or something less resolution the image that you are sent the originally. So how you can do this work? So this is the desktop. So go to the WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp. It's from Meta. This is the front page of WhatsApp. So right top click, the third dot, triple dot, more option. So just click it here. Go to the setting tab. Tap it here. And when you go to the storage, because it is related to storage and data, network uses and auto download it, to click it here. So scroll it down, and you can see in the button the photo uploaded quality, media upload quality. Choose the quality of media files to be sent. Photo upload quality, best quality. I have choose the best quality, and the default setting is the photo uploaded quality was data saver. Down and click on the best quality and hit on the OK. If you choose the best quality, so after the recipient can receive the same resolution and the same image file that you sent. So this is the very easy and simple tips out of WhatsApp. The lots of the people can't know about these features, so always choose the best quality and set it OK. So now when I send the same resolution from the WhatsApp, the recipient can receive the same resolution and same size the image, and no reduce of image quality, image resolution. So if you choose this option, it may take a long time. If you have the image resolution or image size more than 6 MB, 8 MB, 15 MB, 20 MB, so it takes a long. So this is the very easy tips that I have shown you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with new tips. Bye bye. Take care.